Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 Korean words. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Here comes the first word, and that is the Korean word for wrinkle. It is 주름, 주름. Next, let's see how to say baby in Korean. Now, there are many ways to say baby in Korean. Here are three Korean words that mean baby. One is 아기, 아기. The second word is 애기, 애기. And the third word is 아가, 아가. Now, if you go through Google or any dictionary, or if you want to find out the official word for baby in Korean, then that is agi. And these two words, agi and aga, they are the cuter ways to say baby in Korean. If you want to say baby in more cute way, then you can use agi or aga. Okay, so these three words they mean baby in Korean. The appropriate word, the dictionary word for baby is agi. Okay. Next comes the word document, and in Korean it is 문서, 문서. Now let's move ahead and see the fourth word, and that is the Korean word for razor. It is 면도기, 면도기. Next comes the Korean word for saliva, and it is one syllable word, 침, 침. Next, let's see how to say pool or swimming pool in Korean, and that is 수영장, 수영장. Now, you can very easily understand this word. 수영 means swimming in Korean, and 장 is um, a place. So, 수영장 is a place for swimming. So, that place is obviously swimming pool. So swimming pool in Korean is 수영장. Next comes the seventh word, and that is the Korean word for wine. Now there are two ways to say wine in Korean. One is wine, wine, and the second word is 포도주, 포도주. Now wine is the modern or commonly used word for wine, and definitely it is borrowed from English. Whereas 포도주 is a traditional Korean term for wine, and it means grape alcohol. Okay, we know that grape in Korean is 포도. So 포도주, grape alcohol. So it is a traditional word for wine. And the commonly used word for wine that we have borrowed from English language, that is wine. Okay, so both of these words, they mean wine in Korean. Next comes the Korean word for saw, and that is top, top. Now let's see the word for beard in Korean. Now there are two ways to say beard in Korean. One is suyom, suyom, and the second word is toksuyom, toksuyom. Now you might be thinking that in the second word we have just attached a prefix tok to the word suyom. So what is the difference? Yes, suyom is a general term for facial hair, and it can also be used for beard. Okay, and toksoyom, it specifically refers to a beard. Tok in Korean means chin, so toksoyom is hair growing on the chin, beard, right? So both of these words they can be used to say beard in Korean. But if you want to go in detail, then soyom is the general word for any kind of facial hair, and toksoyom is the specific word for beard in Korean. Okay? And now comes the 10th word, and that is the Korean word for mustache. And it is kosoyom. Kosoyom. Now here you can see kosoyom is made up of soyom and the prefix ko attached to it. So we know that Ko means nose. So kosoyam is the hair growing below the nose. That is mustache. So it is very easy to frame this word, right? Okay. So in this video, we learned 10 Korean words. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.